Hi my dears, I just came back from the second-hand shop and believe me, I found very nice pieces, so I'm so impatient to show you what I found. But girls, don't forget to subscribe. As you see, I'm an extravagant person. I buy things. Sometimes you can think that no way to make something from this item, for example, but believe me, when you have a lot of colors, a lot of fabrics, you can make everything you want. And don't forget to subscribe because the new collection is coming. So 60% of you are watching but not subscribed. Just subscribe, it's for free, and also if you want, like my videos. It will be a very special reward for me. Now let's get started. I will start with this velvet blues, or I don't know, t-shirt maybe. It's kind of floral fabric, very nice gray color, light gray. Also I have this linen dress. It's like this. It's a extra large, I think, size, but it has a very nice trim like this, and I'm sure I can create something very extravagant. Take a look at this lace. It's a dress, but the color is green turquoise. Very nice color. Also I have this one. It's kind of jersey, but it's like copper. For some embellishments, this one will be perfect. What else? Haha. I like these furry switchers because take a look. You can use it as a body part of a dress, and you can add a cotton fabric for the skirt part. Also you can make the sleeves like this. These fabrics are very soft and I really like them. I had no yellow, so I took it. Here I have some denim pieces. Take a look. It's a very small jacket, but I bought it because of the print. It's very nice. Also the pockets are interesting. I can cut them. What else? Yeah, take a look on the back. You can use this element all the back, for example. It's interesting, and I can do something with this. I bought two skirts. Yeah, very small size, but take a look on the back. Here, these elements could be used for a tunic, for example, on the body part. Also, I have zipper pockets. So if I decide to make some bag, for example, I can use these details. Also, what I have, another denim mini skirt, but it's an interesting color, dark blue, washed blue, and take a look on the back. Ready to be a part of a bag. I like it. Also, I bought this jacket. Take a look. It's a camouflage jacket, but I love the pockets. Take a look. with studs, perfect condition. Also here I can use every element. I can make something from this one. It could be for a bag, for example, or for some jacket. I don't know. I'm sure I will imagine what to do. Here I have a shirt. It's a men's shirt, but very nice soft cotton. It's a very large size, but it's 6 extra large. Maybe European is 53, 54. But sometimes I make custom orders for very big ladies. They are also very extravagant, and everybody wants something extravagant, and I'm sure this shirt will find and make somebody very happy. Let's continue. Here I have this very nice blue cardigan. Take a look. Perfect condition, triple extra large. I will make something, maybe I will crochet something to make it longer, but believe me, it's a very nice, very soft fabric, knit fabric, I mean, and I really love it. I found this piece. It's a very sweet banana color, but take a look at the embroidery. It's a big size also, and I'm sure maybe some summer dress will be made from this, let's say, sleeveless t-shirt. What else? I found this crochet scarf. Take a look. It's an ombre crochet scarf. I love it. Take a look. It's handmade, and I think to embellish it, and it will be nice also. Here I found this fabric. It's a cotton fabric, very nice blue, yellow, blue or green palette, and with some light denim. I think it will be okay. What else? Take a look. It's a rabbit fur kind of scarf like this with pompons, and I was not sure if it was a real hair on leather, but take a look. So first, this leather was cut on very small bands, and it's kind of crochet. Yeah, really, you can't see it. I'm not sure if it's handmade or machine made, but it doesn't matter. For a bag, it will be perfect. For example, to make some pocket and to use as embellishment the pompons, I think it will be okay. It's so soft. I will not use it for clothes, because the clothes, we wash them, and the natural leather and the furry leather, hair on leather like this one, it's recommended the dry cleaning. And the final piece I want to show you, this is this sweatshirt, and take a look. It's a hoodie, and I really fell in love with this one. Take a look at the print on the back. Just chill. The thing I need. So I will keep this one for me, at least for now. but I couldn't resist. I really love it, and the colors are so sweet. Take a look. The flowers, the hearts, and the mushrooms. Smiling mushrooms. Take a look. And it's kind of brand Bershka. If you know it, it's famous here in Europe, but for me it doesn't matter. If I like it, it doesn't matter which brand is it. And this is for me. That's all for today, girls. Have a wonderful day. The new tutorials are coming, and have a wonderful day. Be happy. Bye. See you soon.